Welcome to another episode of Reggie Loves Cardboard, and even more when it's shiny.
Hey, what's up, guys? Reggie here, back at it with another video. Thanks for tuning in. On today's episode, I went to like 3 different Walmarts card hunting, and it was so-so. I think my best find was this Archives 2023. These are going for $24.99. There was a couple more. I was debating whether getting 2 or not, but we'll see. I'll probably go back for more later. So I got one of those. I got soccer, $12, so why not? Got a hanger from 2022 Donruss. Got a hanger, a beat up hanger of Top Series 1 2025. So let's see if this is good luck. Man, this thing is mangled, bro. Let's see. Got that. What else? Oh yeah, I got one fat pack of 2023 Donruss. And I got one fat pack 2025 Series 1. And for warm-up, guys, we are going to warm up with some Digimon. This is the newest one that's come out. And this is the newest Dragon Ball as well. So yeah, stay tuned. Oh, and a surprise one that you might not have seen in the picture is a hanger prism. Panini Prism 2024 football. 20-card hanger box. So I bought 2, but I'm only going to open one for now. See how those are. So we got a lot of stuff to open, so I'm gonna get right into it with a warm up pack. Let's do Dragon Ball. Here on the back is how many cards are in this set. 133. And you're looking for alternate art leaders cards, which there's 5 you can pull, 5 different ones. And yeah, 12 super rares. You want the super rare alternate art or the secret rare alternate art? Just like to give out some information for, maybe people that don't collect anything that's not sports. Alright, first pack. Let's see. I spent like close to 100. Yeah, it was easily over $100, guys, on all these cards. So let's see if we can pull something good, because, man, I've been kind of dry lately. Ooh, I think we got something back here. Ooh. Oh, it's just an SR. I pulled this card before. Jeez Louise. Looks good, though. Looks good, I'm not going to lie. Alright, SR. So that's not bad. It's not a great hit, but it's not horrible, because you're guaranteed at least a rare. So, yeah, that's technically a hit, guys. SR. Just unfortunate that I've pulled it already, but yeah, let's keep this going. Let's warm up on this windy, chilly night here in Southern California. Digimon. I already pulled the secret rare in this, and that's cool. It's a nice secret rare, but the really good ones is the alternate art secret rare. Those are like go for crazy money, and they have crazy texturing, just really beautiful cards. Let's see. Little stuck together. Honestly, I like Digimon better than Pokemon, to be honest. Artwork is amazing. So yeah, but that's just me. I think we might have something back there, guys. But who knows, because nowadays, Bandai, man, their SRs or super rares are looking really good. Man, look at that. Reapermon. Sick. Don't tell me we got the secret rare again. Okay, here's our first holo, which is just oh, it's just a rare. If you see that little R right here with the circle next to the 04, that's the rarity. So this is just a rare. See what I mean, guys? Full rare. Wow. And ooh, we got the secret rare again. Omnimon. You got to be kidding me. I've pulled this secret rare already. Okay, it's bittersweet because it is the secret rare you see down here. SEC for secret. But we need the alternate art one. That's the one we need, guys. But yeah. Alright, that is our first hit. Worthy of a stand for sure. Dang it. I would love the alternate art of that. Alternate art of that. Probably haven't even seen it, but if this one's cool and this is just a secret, imagine the alternate art. Where do I put the bulk? I'm gonna set the bulk down here for now. Alright, got some hollow foil hits right here on this side. Okay. Now, what do we do? What do we open up? What do we open up? I'm gonna go, for me, what's less exciting to more exciting. So we'll do MLS Soccer. Here is some of the stuff you can pull. Let me see if I can get this sticker. Anyway. What was the foil fractor? There's black, there's icy white, icy blue. You know what? Let's just rip right into it. MLS, 12 bucks. You get 4 exclusive foil parallels. Let's see. How many packs are in here again? 10 packs. 1 extra pack, 6 cards per pack. So 11 packs. Jeez. For 12 bucks, guys. So that's almost basically freaking $1 a pack. I mean, MLS Soccer, what can I say? Let's see. I mean, maybe as long as we pull like a numbered card or something, that'd be cool. Okay, I'm kind of digging the design. Alright, so this looks like a very just base pack, guys. Looks like we got our first foil here. International players. Ifani Ichi Akara. This is our first foil. Guaranteed 3 more at least. Calvin Harris rookie. Alright. Gonna keep it. That's a lot of packs. 11 packs in 1 blaster box. That's kind of cool. I wish Topps did this with other products too. Like baseball. Yeah, you know, 12 bucks. It's like, what the heck. Comes our second foil. All right, Cecilio Dominguez. Foils are nice. Snap. Let me make some trash goes on that side. Hit goes there. You know what, guys? I'm going to make a big fat stack of all the remaining packs. Never pulled a numbered card from MLS Soccer. Then again, I've only opened like 4 or 5 blaster boxes. Oh wait, no, I think I did pull something actually. In one of my other videos, I pulled something and it was actually numbered to like, I think, what was it, 10? Or was it 25? So yeah, let me know. I mean, I spent over 100 bucks. I want to say with taxes, maybe like 110, 100. Yeah, 110. So is it? I don't know, man. Let's see if it's worth it. For that amount of money, I could have bought a hobby box of baseball, and you're guaranteed 1 auto and 1 numbered card. So we'll see if I made the right choice. But then again, honestly, it's just fun to rip packs. For me, honestly, I'll enjoy opening packs. Let's see what we got. Leon Flacco rookie. A. Carlos Vela. International players. Comes our third. Huh. Look at that, guys. What is this? Nice. I don't know what this is, but this is cool. It's like their version of a tobacco mini, I guess. Okay, that's cool. Okay. I don't know how rare these are, but I'll put the odds and what this is called right here somewhere. So yeah, okay. Got another foil here. That's an interesting little hit right there. Got another foil. Harper, rookie on the foil here. Oh, is this just a parallel? Okay, on the yellow. Oh, numbered to 50, guys. Cool. 28 of 50. Mark Anthony K. He is a midfielder for the Colorado Rapids. Okay, okay. So that is a gold. Okay, okay. Finally got a numbered card from MLS. All right. Let me get organized here, guys. Get all this bulk out of my way. Bam. A little pile here for my bulk on the side. All right, looks like I picked the right blaster. Let's go Donruss. Then we'll go Series 1, and then for last I'll leave. Then we'll go football, and then we'll go the archives. So let's do this fat pack here, this hanger box. This is 2022. It's cool because this comes with 6 hollow orange and 2 diamond parallels. 6 parallels, guys. That's pretty cool. That was $10. They're on sale or clearance. And you can pull autos, you can pull numbered stuff out of here. Alright, let's see. Hey, Randy Johnson. Sorry, I'm trying to hang on to this big old fat pack for the life of me. Trout. O'Neal Cruz rookie. Is there a card behind him? No, that's just kind of thick for some reason. Diamond Kings insert. Juan Soto. Riley Adams rookie. Juan Soto again on the base here. McCormick rookie. Brendan Marsh, rookie, rated rookie. Donaldson. Ashby, rated rookie. Ichiro. I wonder if that's a nickname variant. Pretty sure it is. Or is that a misprint? Huh, we'll look into that. Cool. Otto, Cunha, Hap, Kershaw, DeGroom, okay, this is a parallel, guys. Forgot what it's called. Brandon Lowe on the, what is this? Oh, it's something. It's the Statue of Liberty icon. What's that thing called on the phones? The little smiley faces and all that emoji. I think it's a Statue of Liberty emoji, if I'm not mistaken. All right, our first Hollow Orange, Trey Turner, Cedric Mullins, Willie Stargell, Matt Olson, Ichi again, huh? On the Juan Soto on the Unleashed, and Julio Rodriguez rated rookie. All right. That was a so-so pack. Getting organized here, guys. Give me a second. All right, well, now we got a fat pack from 2023. Oh, I forgot to show you the ads on the odds on that previous. Man, look at all this stuff you can pull. Press proof, Independence Day, Liberty, Retro, Rated Prospects, printing plates, Cooperstown, silver, blue, red, gold, green, black, numbered. Yeah, guys, tons of stuff. That's crazy. All right. Find 3 exclusive Hollow Orange parallels. This is, who we're looking for here? Is it J-Rod? The rookie just chasing this 2023. Corbin Carroll probably too. Bobby Witt. This is, what year is this style? I don't know. Doesn't say. Ashburn. Tony Oliva. Sparky Anderson. Duke Snyder. Got a backwards card here. Ryan Sandberg on the red. Okay. Got a couple turned over. Robin Ventura is our first Hollow Orange. Cade Horton. Tim Raines on the blue. Is that numbered? Oh, it's not. Darn. Another flipped over card here. King Griffey Jr. on the Hollow Orange. Parallel. What do we got here? Cooperstown. Ooh, Ivan Rodriguez, Cooperstown. That's a cool insert, man. Very cool insert. God, I just wish that was numbered. That'd be sick. Rod Caro. Nolan Ryan. What do you got there? Jackson Churio rated prospect. Okay. James Wood rated prospect. He's the chase now in 2025. Jackson Jobe rated prospect. Brayan Rocchio, and Roger Clemens. Huh, not bad. Not bad. right, what do we open next? We'll do Series 1. We'll do Series 1. I'll do this fat pack. Best thing I've pulled so far out of 2025 is player worn Dylan Cruz relic card out of a mega box. And I've pulled some number purple number to 799. Is also like my other best hit, I guess. Jackson Holiday, Future Stars. Grapefruit League. Vladdy. All right, that was a big fat dud pack right there. What do we go next? Oh yeah, the hanger, the beat up hanger, guys. The beat up hanger. Let's go. Imagine. I'm going to set this down a little bit. I'm going to split it in half because, man, it's a big old fat pack and it's kind of awkward right now for me. Cup card of Joey Ortiz. Josh Jung. Not to be confused with the Dancing Dodgers card. That one is not it. Okay, the other half of the pack here. First flipped over card. Rainbow. Michael Toglia on the rainbow foil. Oh, we got our Diamantes, Alec Burleson, and Jace Jung on the Diamante. This is a good one to pull on the Jace Jung here. Justin Henry Malloy on the 1990. All right, typical 2025 series pack. Room here. All right, guys, we got two things left. I'm gonna do the football, and then we'll end with the archives. Hey, I just noticed these don't have any kind of these just come in a box, guys. They don't have any clear wrapping around them like other hanger boxes do. Ooh, I don't know how I feel about that. Dang. Huh. Let's see here. Okay. go from the bottom. Okay, guys. Yeah, no cellophane. I think it's called cellophane, right? No wrapper. The pack is just in there. Ooh, I wonder if people... I don't want to give any ideas, but you know what might happen. Hopefully not, but we'll see. Alright, starting us off. Brian Robinson. Terry Bradshaw. Kamara. And I think this is our refractor here. Forgot what they call it. Our silver prism. Our first parallel here. Miles Sanders. Aaron Donald. Ooh. Bobby Wagner. Brian Murphy, rookie. Garrett Goff. J.J. McCarthy, rookie, on some kind of parallel. Okay. Got to look again at the front to see if it's not numbered, because so much shininess and it just like blinds me. Trotter, rookie. Ouch. $20. That hanger is like 21 something, guys, so ouch. And last but not least, so let me make some room here on the stage. Oh, that's called portals. I couldn't see that there, so it's called portals. And why not? I was just watching documentaries about Juan Soto, so leave that there. And these are our parallels. All right. Last box of the opening. Oh yeah, you know what? I'm gonna make room for our numbered soccer card. So our soccer blaster came through and it gave us a numbered card, so that's cool. Numbered to 50 here. No foil on the front of that, but hey, be nice if it would have been foiled on the front. 2023 Archives. This is my first time opening this up. Corbin Carroll. It's a Chase rookie in this. Yup. How many packs we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs. Gotta mix them up here a little bit, guys. Alright, put them off to the side. So yeah, let me know what you would have spent your money on instead. Honus Wagner there. Albert Pujols. Okay. Hunter Brown, rookie. Yoshida, rookie. Paul Goldschmidt on the Blues here. I wonder if this is some kind of insert. Inside baseball, first base. Huh. Probably just some kind of insert. Second back of the blaster. Yeah, what was I saying? Yeah, let me know what you would have spent $100 on instead. New York Mets here. Hank Aaron, Eddie Matthews, Ozzie Smith on the blue border here. Brandon Lowe, Alex Bregman, Andrew Benintendi, Grayson Rodriguez on the blue, Matt McLean on the blue. This time we only got 2 blues. Again, I don't know if that's what they're called, but that's what I'm going to call them for the sake of the video. The blue border. Rosario, Ivan Herrera, George Mateo, Joey Meneses, Riley Green, rookie. That's a good one. Kansas City Royals, George Brett, Alek Manoah, Will Smith. Oh, hey guys, welcome back to the video. Sorry about that. My battery died. I thought I would be able to finish the video before my battery died, but obviously I could not. I got 3 packs left. Honestly, I don't know where the video ended, so yeah, I got 3 packs left. You haven't missed anything. I haven't pulled anything. The only thing is when I was going through my cards while my phone was charging, I saw that Ryan Sandberg is actually numbered. It is 1827 of 2023. So yeah, that's probably the only thing that I noticed. Very nice looking card. So yeah, let's keep it going. 3 packs left. Let's see. Still haven't pulled anything from Archives 2023. Let's see. All right. Francisco Alvarez, Crawford, Cal Raleigh. Hey. I was going to say a bunch of nicknames, but hey, why not? Let's do the Titan of Terror. Stan Musial, Corbin Carroll. Oh, but they didn't put the rookie. That's weird. The rookie shield. Whoa. Corbin Carroll on this side, and then we got Michael Harris on the back side here. I never seen that. Are these cards stuck together? No, I'm not tripping. That's one card. Huh. Interesting. What is going on here? What do they call this? Okay. Jimenez. Hap. On our blues. Two packs left. I don't know, guys. So far, I mean, this is typical retail. This is what you can expect from retail. I'd say, I don't know what, like 90% of the time. Bobby Miller, rookie. Brian Rocchio, rookie. Riley Green. Don't know what this foil is called. 69. Oh, so this must be the 1969 design, guys. Okay. Cavalier rookie. Gunnar Henderson rookie. Okay, cool. Got the rookie shield on there. All right. Wait. Okay, yeah. Riley Green has the rookie shield on there, guys. I was covering up with my finger, I think. Give me a second, guys. I'm getting a little organized here. Last pack, guys. Last pack of the opening. Can we get some last pack magic? I don't think so, guys. Brett Patty, rookie card. Haniger. Babe Ruth again. This is some kind of a design variant. On the 57. I wonder if this is the 1957 design. Probably. Cool. Babe Ruth and some in color there. Chris Bryant. Lucas Giolito and Dansby Swanson on the blue. I'll do a quick recap for you guys. Yeah, that was kind of rough, guys, for the for the amount of money spent. Let me see here. Jeez. Quick little recap here. These are orange parallels. Brandon Marsh, rated rookie. Got some rated rookies in here. Okay, I don't know why those cards were in there. Let's see. We got this card that has its double, guys. That's weird. Corbin Carroll and Michael Harris on the other side. That'd be cool if that's a misprint, but I doubt it. Let's see here. All right, we pulled a secret rare from our warm-up of Digimon. So that's cool. Then we pulled this card. Don't know what it's called yet, but I'll look it up. It's like a mini style, I guess. That's pretty cool. That's a good player. I recognize him from the Mexican League. J.J. McCaffrey, rookie on the Portals. Jace Jung, rookie on the Diamante. Juan Soto on the Unleashed Parallel. Mark Anthony K, numbered to 50. 28 of 50. And Ryan Sandberg, numbered to 2023. So yeah, guys, that does it for this video. Thank you for watching. Comment down below. This was obviously a bust, but let me know what you would have spent your $100 on instead. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.